Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. The safety of a vessel and its crew depends heavily on the alertness of the watchkeeper, and the dead man alarm system stands as a critical guardian in this regard. This automated system is designed to monitor the activity of the duty engineer, especially during unmanned machinery space operations. Its primary purpose is to detect any potential incapacity of the personnel on duty by requiring periodic interaction with reset buttons located throughout the engine room. If a watchkeeper fails to acknowledge the timer within a specific window, the system triggers an escalating series of alarms that eventually alert the bridge and other crew members of a potential emergency. Regular maintenance of the dead man alarm is not just a regulatory requirement, but a vital part of onboard safety culture. To begin your maintenance routine, start with a comprehensive visual inspection of all remote reset stations. Check for any signs of physical damage, moisture ingress, or corrosion on the buttons and enclosures, which are often exposed to the harsh environment of the engine room. Ensure that all labels are clearly visible and that the emergency stop and reset functions are unobstructed. The next phase involves functional testing of the timing sequence. You must verify that the pre-warning period, the main alarm delay, and the general alarm trigger points are all set according to the ship safety management system and manufacturer specifications. Use a stopwatch to confirm that the intervals are accurate and consistent. Test every single reset station individually to ensure the signal is reaching the main control panel without any intermittent failures. It is also essential to check the backup power supply for the system. In the event of a main power failure, the dead man alarm must continue to function using its dedicated battery units. Test these batteries for voltage stability and ensure the charging circuit is operating correctly. Inspect the internal wiring within the main control cabinet for loose connections or frayed insulation, which could cause a system malfunction. During your overhaul, pay close attention to the audible and visual signaling devices. The buzzers and flashing lights must be loud and bright enough to be noticed even in high-noise areas of the machinery spaces. If the system is integrated with a wireless pager or mobile notification device, verify that the signal strength is sufficient in all corners of the engine room. Once all physical checks and tests are completed, record the results in the planned maintenance system and the engine room logbook. This documentation is crucial for showing compliance during safety audits and flag state inspections. A reliable dead man alarm system provides peace of mind and ensures that no seafarer is ever truly alone during their watch. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.